Hi everyone, we've received our first purchase today for the van. We've got some mats from carmat.co.uk. We're going to see what they're like. Open it traditional way. Interesting. Carmats.co.uk make the mats to order. So it's all one piece, like so. It goes through the middle. Interesting. So I'm just going to have a little look at what to do and how to get it into the front of the car. Okay. Take that to the advertiser. Have a look at them. Fit perfectly. So that we can now right, so let's see how this goes. Nice and easy for me. Interesting. Push the mat down. Seat back a bit. Hoping it fits perfectly. Oh, look at that. Is that where the buttons go? What's this? Looking for the button. One in. Fingers crossed this one fits. Yep, there we go. It's one side fitted. Go to the side. So hopefully, good, straight in there, straight in here. Like there. Push it back a bit. That's alright. That's good. Dirty feet. Perfect. Goodbye, just don't want to get them dirty now. Now we can walk through the middle. What's this? In straight. Okay, so I've fitted the mats in. As you can see, we've gone for a colour, the graphite colour, with a grey rolled trim, and it fits really nicely into the fittings. You can get it in a standard black. This was the super. We obviously wanted this bit because we want to walk through to the dog. There's a little bit of a gap there, but it's good. It'll be good for a winter day. See, very happy. Right, so the mats are installed. They're looking good. We went for the super finish. They're in graphite with a grey rolled trim. Fittings nicely positioned. Each mat is done on a machine and then hand trimmed. I can see a slight gap here compared to here, but that's good enough as a fit. And again, this is nicely here for passageway to our lovely dog. We're very happy with this purchase. We'd recommend carmots.co.uk for any of your vehicles. It's just a free plug if anybody watches. Good, thank you. Just give you a quick look in the back as well. Fit up into the cockpit. Nice. Can't wait to get them a little bit dirty. Thank you for watching. Hello again. Just finishing off. I might as well, as I'm waiting for the car to defrost because it's really cold. It's -2, and I just do one last look at the lovely mats. Oh, it's getting dark as well. They're fitting in really nicely. Very happy. Trying not to get them dirty just yet, but you can see the contrasting colour which we went for. Graphite with the grey rolled trim, and yeah, really happy. Just got to work out what to do with the back. Still have the old T-Gan dog cover, but small steps. Got a heap of things we want to buy before we get going properly. Yeah, very nice, but it is extremely cold. But the van's warming up nicely, so happy. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching, if you have watched. And if you want to watch more, hopefully we'll keep uploading once and get better at this uploading as well. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.